Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday announced the allocation of Rs 26 crores to finally complete the long-awaited construction of the Iawmusiang market complex in Jowai. During his address, the Chief Minister expressed gratitude to the Sainrai Jowai for generously donating land for the construction of parking lots in Jowai town. Sangma acknowledged the complexities and challenges that have plagued the Iawmusiang market complex project over the years, but assured the public that the government is committed to overcoming these obstacles.
The Iawmusiang market complex issue was a very complicated issue. We faced many hurdles from the past many years. The sanctions were made by central government, but because of certain changes and sometimes the contractor also not being able to complete the work, somewhere fund issue being happening, this project saw multiple challenges. But I'm happy to inform that we have decided as a government to absorb all of those challenges and once and for all sanction an amount of 26 crores to complete this project. This will be funded completely by the state. This is a very important project for the people of Jowai and Jaintia Hills in general.
Chairperson